Use Whittaker method to classify bacteria, protozoa, fungi, algae, prokaryotic and eukaryotic microbes. Bacteria, kingdom Monera. Protozoa, kingdom Protista. Fungi, kingdom Fungi. Algae, if unicellular, kingdom Protista; if multicellular, kingdom Plantae. Prokaryotic, kingdom Monera. Eukaryotic, any kingdom other than Monera. Microbes, kingdom Monera or Protista. Complete the 5 kingdom method of classification using living organism: prokaryotes, eukaryotes, multicellular, unicellular, protista, animals, plants, fungi. Living organisms: prokaryotes, eukaryotes. In prokaryotes, unicellular, Monera. In eukaryotes, unicellular, multicellular. In unicellular, protista. In multicellular, fungi, Plantae, Animalia. Find out my partner. Fungi, Candida. Protozoa, Amoeba. Virus, Bacteriophage. Algae, Chlorella. Bacteria, Prokaryotic. State whether the following statements are true or false. Explain your statement. Lactobacilli are harmful bacteria. False. Explanation. Lactobacilli are useful bacteria. They are used for curdling the milk. They are also used for preparing variety of milk products. Cell wall of fungi is made up of chitin. True. Explanation. The cell wall of the plants is made up of cellulose, while the cell wall of fungi is made up of complex sugar called chitin. Inside the fungal cell wall, there is cytoplasm which contains many nuclei. Organ of locomotion in amoeba is pseudopodia. True. Explanation. Amoeba is a protozoan primitive organism which possesses pseudopodia as the organ for locomotion. Tomato wilt is a viral disease. True. Explanation. Tomato wilt is a viral disease. These viruses are able to infect only plant cells. Give answers. State the merits of Whittaker's method of classification. Following are the merits of Whittaker's classification. Prokaryotes have got a separate place as kingdom Monera in 5 kingdom of classification. Unicellular and multicellular organisms are kept separate. Fungi are placed in separate kingdom as their mode of nutrition differs from all other organisms. Autotrophs and heterotrophs are placed in separate groups except kingdom Protista. Classification is also based on lifestyle and phylogenetic relationship. Write the characteristics of viruses. Viruses are extremely minute, that is, they are 10 to 100 times smaller than bacteria and can be seen only with electron microscope. They are found in the form of independent particles. Virus is a long molecule of DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, or RNA, ribonucleic acid, covered by a protein coat. Viruses survive only in living plant or animal cells and produce their own proteins with help of host cells and create their numerous replica. Then they destroy the host cell and become free. These free viruses again infect new cells. Viruses cause many diseases to plants and animals. Explain the nutrition in fungi. Fungi cannot prepare their own food as they do not have chlorophyll pigments. Fungi are found on decaying organic matter and dead bodies of plants and animals. These are eukaryotic organisms. Some are unicellular and others are visible with naked eyes. Saprotrophic absorb their food from decaying organic matter. They reproduce sexually and asexually by cell division or by budding. Example: baker's yeast, candida, mushroom. Which living organisms are included in the kingdom Monera? All type of bacteria and blue-green algae are included in the kingdom Monera. Who am I? I don't have true nucleus, cell organelles or plasma membrane. Microbe from Monera. I have nucleus and membrane bound cell organelles. Protozoan from Protista. I am anyone of eukaryote. I live on decaying organic matter. Fungus. I reproduce mainly by cell division. Bacteria and some protozoa. I can produce my replica. Virus. I am green but don't have organs. Algae. Draw neat and label diagrams. Different types of bacteria. Paramecium. Bacteriopae. Arrange the following ascending order of size: bacteria, fungi, viruses, algae. Viruses, bacteria, fungi, algae. Use your brain power. Explain merits and demerits of Whittaker's classification. Merits of Whittaker's classification. The classification system that Whittaker has adapted is totally based on scientific foundation. Prokaryotes are placed separately in a different kingdom. The prokaryotic organisms are different from other organisms, thus placing them separately is justified. All unicellular eukaryotic organisms are clubbed together in one kingdom named Protista. This has helped to solve the placement of Euglena. Euglena has chloroplasts like plants, but as animals it has flagella, and thus there was conflict about such species during previous classification systems. It was placed in protozoa previously. Fungi are saprophytic and hence they are placed separately in a unique kingdom. According to 5-kingdom classification, the cell structure, organization of cell, mode of nutrition, lifestyle and phylogenetic relationship are taken into consideration. Therefore, the system of 5-kingdom classification becomes most authentic system of biological classification. Demerits of Whittaker's method of classification. Some organisms belonging to Monera and Protista have ability to perform photosynthesis. Thus, they show mode of nutrition as autotrophic while others are heterotrophic. Similarly, some Monerans have cell wall and some Protists also have cell wall. This becomes confusing during their placement. In kingdom Protista, organisms show varied characteristics. In spite of this, they are placed together. In kingdoms Plantae, Animalia and Fungi, the organisms having primitive characters and where initial examples during evolution are not included. Example, in kingdom Animalia, amoeba is not included though it is said to be unicellular animal. This creates confusion. Similarly, if algae are unicellular, they are placed in kingdom Protista, and if they are multicellular, they are placed in kingdom Plantae. In reality, unicellular and multicellular algae both show much similarity, but due to Whittaker's classification system, they are placed away from each other. Species of algae such as Chlorella, Chlamydomonas are not included in kingdom Protista. Viruses are not included in any of the kingdoms by Whittaker. Their classification has become a point of debate among the biologists. Can you recall what is the hierarchy for classification of living organisms? Kingdom, division, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. Who invented binomial system of nomenclature? Carl Linnaeus invented binomial system of nomenclature. Which levels of hierarchy are considered while writing the name in binomial nomenclature? Genus and species levels of hierarchy are considered while writing the name in binomial nomenclature.